Hi, this is Technology Tips and Tricks with Stacy, and today I have some social media tips. The tips I have for today is how to increase your presence and your engagement on social media. So, the first thing is make sure you have a Facebook and an Instagram. Um, Business pages, and if you have an Instagram and it's personal, you may have to convert that over into a business page because they only allow you to have one. And also make sure those are connected to your web page so that they can help you generate traffic to each other. The second thing is to be more personal. So I know a lot of you use certain things to post on your behalf, but I know we use BombBomb, and that's awesome. You want to have frequent social media posts, but also if everyone's posting the same thing, they kind of get lost in the mix. So if you took a trip, you could post um, a photo from your trip saying like even real estate agents have to take a vacation, or if you're eating lunch in your car, you could post that and say, what an agent's lunch looks like, or if you're drinking a coffee, or like you could post about, like this is what it takes to get an agent through the day with a giant coffee or something, just something funny and personal, and it makes you stand out. And the third tip I have is to share interactive or funny posts. So you want engagement. The more engagement you get on your social media posts, the more frequently you're going to generate to those people who engage, but also to other people. So Facebook sees that and we're like, oh, other people might also find this interesting. So if you see something funny, go ahead and share it. A video or a real estate related like little cartoon. It doesn't even have to be real estate related. If you think it's funny and it doesn't cross the line of being inappropriate, political, religion, that type of thing, share it. You want the engagement. Also share things where you ask questions. So if you have two pictures, like, do you prefer the minimalistic, or do you prefer, the farmhouse, decor, things where you can ask questions and people answer, but also always, always, always respond to anyone who posts on your post. It's your engagement in your own post counts as engagement. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. See ya.